Lark promises to be the ultimate solution for team communication, but does it really live up to the hype? With so many collaboration tools out there, it's hard to know which ones are worth the investment. Let's dive into what Lark has to offer. Lark is designed as an all-in-one collaboration platform that combines chat, video calls, documents, and task management into a single interface. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and modern, which is a plus. You can easily switch between messaging and video calls without jumping through hoops, which can save time during those hectic workdays. What really stands out is the integration of tools like calendar and document editing, allowing teams to collaborate in real time. This can be especially useful for remote teams who need to stay aligned on projects. However, while the functionality is solid, some users might find the multitude of features a bit overwhelming at first. There's a learning curve, especially for those who are used to more straightforward applications. One area that feels a bit lacking is the depth of customization for notifications. It's crucial for teams to tailor alerts to their specific needs, and Lark could definitely improve here. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Lark's all-in-one design is a major strength, minimizing the need for multiple apps. The real-time collaboration features are impressive, and the integration of tools can enhance productivity. However, there are some drawbacks. The learning curve may frustrate new users, and some may find the interface slightly cluttered. Additionally, while Lark is free for basic use, the pricing for advanced features can add up, which might deter smaller teams or startups. There's also the concern of data security, as with any platform that handles sensitive information. Users should be mindful of how their data is stored and managed, which could be a deal breaker for some. In conclusion, Lark is a robust tool for teams looking for an integrated communication solution. If you're part of a larger team or organization that collaborates frequently, it might be worth a try. However, if you prefer something simpler or have a smaller team, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid choice, but do your research first.